In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Website Builder. First, go to wix.com, sign into your account, and from your dashboard, click Create New Site. This takes you into the Wix editor, where you can start building your website from a blank canvas. If you are new to Wix, this dashboard is your main control area, and it is where you manage your sites before editing or publishing them. Once you are inside the editor, move to the left sidebar and click the Add Elements icon. This is where you can begin placing the first parts of your layout onto the page. Wix uses a drag-and-drop system, which means you can click on items like text, images, buttons, and other layout pieces, then place them exactly where you want them on the canvas. Take your time here, because this is the foundation of how your website will look and feel. Next, click Site Design, which is the icon that looks like a letter A or layered paint. This area lets you choose your site-wide design settings, including your color palette and your text styles. These settings are important because they create a consistent visual identity across your entire website. Instead of styling every piece one by one, you can apply a universal look that keeps everything clean and professional. As you continue building, organize your content into separate sections down the page. Sections help break up the layout into clear parts, making your website easier to scan and more visually structured. This also helps you keep track of your design as the page gets longer and more detailed. After that, click the mobile icon at the top of the screen. This allows you to switch into the mobile view and adjust your layout for phone screens. A design that looks good on desktop may need repositioning on mobile, so check spacing, alignment, and element placement carefully. This step is important because many visitors will view your site from a mobile device. When everything looks the way you want, click Preview. This lets you test your links, review any animations, and see how the site behaves before it goes live. It is a good final check to catch anything that needs adjusting. Finally, click Publish to launch your blank canvas website and make it available online. That covers everything you need to know.